Right now we're going to talk about our Southwind and our Carolina Club locations specifically. Each unit should have 2 bikes, and we will show you where the keys are to get into those bike closets, and then each bike has a combination, and then where the paths are to get to the beach. So the first thing you need to know is where you will find the key to go out on the bike. So for every unit, you're going to go into the laundry room. The laundry room can be at different locations depending on the configuration of your unit. But in this one, it's right in here next to the washer. It's on a hook, and there's your key. You'll take this outside and it'll unlock that closet to get you into those bikes. Once you get into your closet, you will see that you have your 2 bikes here, and up on the wall, you will find the combination that is for the locks that are on these bikes. You will also see that who you would contact, Bike Doctor, if you need more bikes for your family or your group. If you need like tag-alongs, if you want to get helmets, anything extra, this is the number you would call. In our Southwind units, you will see a map up on your walls that are framed out. This is your path to get to the beach from our Southwind and our Carolina locations. So just if you're a little confused of this route we're going to take you on today, you can look at this map and that'll kind of give you a lowdown of how to get there. If you're a little vertically challenged like I am, you may need to adjust your seat. Or if you are getting the bike after I used it, you'll definitely want to adjust your seat. So there is always a little lever right here. You just pull that lever out and you can see you can bring it up or you can bring it down. I think I'm going to leave mine down. To find the beach path here at the Southwind and Carolina Club locations, you're going to look between the 3324 and the 3325 units. You'll see that there's this beach sign right here, and this will take you directly to the path that'll take you all the way out to the beach. As you can see, we have a nice level path here as we come out of the Southwind location. And the other nice feature is you've got these lights here. So if you happen to, the sun comes down before you are able to get back, at least you have a nicely lit and safe location to get to. Once you reach the end of the initial path that is concrete, you're going to come to this asphalt location. Just continue on all the way down. Just keep remembering, go left, go left. When in question, go left. We've reached a fork in the road. Remember what I told you, go left, always go left. Down the asphalt, take a left at the fork. Okay, we've reached the end of this part of our journey. We're now on to stage 3 of getting to the beach. When you get to the end of the asphalt, you'll see a dead end of the road. You're gonna see this little path off to your left. Remember, always go left. And we're gonna follow this, and this is gonna take you all the way down to the beach house and the beach. Now we've reached our beach location. As you can see, there are plenty of bike racks once you get to the beach club area. Once you've parked your bike, then you just hop right straight this way and you will go to the beach lockers. Here we are at the Shipyard Beach House. The beach house is where you're going to find your lockers, and there also the access to get onto the beach and the beach house for restrooms. Right now, we're going to go in, we're going to show you where you can find those lockers. Come on up. Now, as you can see, they're rather spacious, but how do you go about getting in a beach locker once you've checked in at our resorts? When you do your check-in, you would check with the front desk and find out if we have any of them available. They're $15 for the week, so a $15 a week rental to be able to use your bikes, and then once you get here, you don't have to carry all of that equipment on your bikes with you. What a lifesaver, what a great system. We're so glad to be able to share this with you so that you can have this wonderful beach experience when you come on down. You didn't think we were going to show you how to get to the beach without actually showing you the beach, did you? You can see that we have these big boxes out here. That is from beach services. If once you get here, if you aren't able to store away some of your beach equipment, you can rent chairs and umbrellas. They sometimes have boogie boards and other fun things you can play with when you're out here at the beach. And you can do that right with the lifeguards. That will be from Memorial Day to Labor Day.